Something strange is
Video
happening
recordings
in the
being
parish of
circulated.
Manchester. It would appear as if the community is slowly disappearing underwater. This is how it all started. After Hurricane Melissa, water slowly started to rise. Jamaica is known as the land of wood and water. Is it just nature taking back its course? Or is something else happening? Recurring floods? Is this coincidental or is something deeper happening? Some locals believe it is not just Hurricane Melissa. They have seen this before. Some think there are underground springs that are breaking through. Others blame poor planning, blocked drains, or is it relating to the old mining that disturbed the land? Now, this is the other side of content. Shooters ill. What is really happening? This is Kitania from Journey with Kitania. Like,
For
share,
more
and follow.
updates,